Right side up. Bottom must be folded right side up. Next is rubber sheet. Bottom sheet must be folded right up. Draw sheet. Rubber sheet. Ano yung rubber sheet? Rubber sheet. Bottom sheet, rubber sheet. Wrong side up for the draw sheet.
Draw sheet.
Draw sheet. Wrong side up. Yan. Blanket.
So, ang pag-foldan is wrong.
Wrong.
Wrong side up. Basta,
Kani? Tanan? Ay,
Draw sheet. Wrong side up. Wrong side up sa draw sheet.
wrong side up ang draw sheet.
Kung saan yung draw sheet?
Blanket. Blanket. Ay, isa lang. Di. Bottom, rubber, draw, blanket, pillow. Bottom sheet, rubber sheet, draw sheet, blanket, pillow, pillowcase. Passion din dayon. Ana. Ang magbutag pillow na pillowcase. Ay, okay.
Isa lang color na yan, Joe. Sa Hong Kong na siya. Hindi ko nangyari sa Shopee. Wala, nakakita ko yun sa Shopee, pero sa Hong Kong hindi siya nag-source.
pero man ako.
Wala pa ko, be. Paperma ako, be. Hindi ko na ako kumpirma.
Pinatahalan na.
Gaw. Sign. Si Ma'am Ming. Pag signature daw sa attendance.
Red ako para bakal.
Wala, asin, no?